When you plug your generator in, you're going to power this up, which is going to in turn come in here and power these 5 circuits that you've chosen. Your well is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So
those are the red circuits.
The red buttons. Okay.
Yep, those are the
so
red circuits
first thing we do when the power goes off is we turn off the main.
Turn off the main. You do not want any kind of backfeed coming. When that power comes back on from your utilities, you don't want any kind of backfeed. So over here, this stays on the line, okay? It's all on your line, all right? Which means that this is all on line, okay? Your house.
Yep.
When the power goes down, you shut your breaker off. You come out here, okay? You go to your off position on all your switches.
That's the middle one.
Correct. Go to the middle. And then, after you've started up you got this off, these are all off as you see. You'll leave these on. Don't ever shut any of this off. So then you've cranked your generator up, you've let it run for a little while. You got your nice level plane on your motor. You come over here and you switch the main breaker to generator. Okay? Then you turn all these breakers on. And then one at a time, from the off position, you will go to the generator. When you hit this to generator, it will already put the 240 volt on this well. So as soon as you turn that on, when this is in generator mode, your well will immediately come on.
I see. So we do the main first?
Main first. That turns on the 240 volts, which completely lights this panel up. Okay?
Okay.
And then each one of these come on, and then you turn each one of these on to the generator mode. And then that means, because if you have this in generator mode and these are still off, it's not going to work.
Right.
It's not going to operate. You have to turn these on, and then each one of those, which is what you labeled. As you labeled, here's more defined. You can label it for yourself to be more defined.
Okay.
And then that's pretty much all there is to it. So when the power comes back on, and you know your neighbor's got power, you have power, they call you, whatever. You come out here, first thing you do, shut the generator off. Okay? Boom, shut it off. Come over here, unplug it. Boom, no more power. Then you come in here, and you do exactly back the way you see it now. You turn everything off, you turn everything off. You go over here and you turn on line, 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 leave these off. Now, you come over here, very last thing you do, as the first thing you do, turn your main back on, turn it back on, your house comes back to life.
I see. So the main is off for the entire time that the generator is on.
Yes, because if you're running that generator and everything, and they're out there working on the line, and they just got you power back, and you have this on, you're going to fry somebody up there working on that line, because you're going to create a backfeed.
So the only way we'll know the power's back on is for a neighbor.
You'll get a phone call, or you'll see your neighbors, or more than likely you'll get a phone call, or you can come out here and see you'll know when it comes back on. But you always make sure you turn the generator off, unplug it, put these off, turn all these off, okay? And then once everything is off and your power's off from generator, then you turn everything online, leave these off, okay? Turn all these on your line, turn your main back on, then everything back on.
It's pretty simple.